Come here, dear. What?
Sir, I tried.
You're just.
Tried.
You're right.
I tried. Please.
Come over and talk to me.
Please.
I want to hear what you have to say, man.
I tried. I tried so hard. Nobody would help me. I tried.
But you've never talked to me, right?
Please.
Let me try to help you, okay?
I tried so hard.
What's your name, dear?
Nobody would help me. Everybody gave up on me.
What's your name, dear?
I tried to find a new home. Nobody would help me.
Let me try to help you, okay? I don't think I've ever met you before.
I tried so hard.
Can you come back over on this side of the fence for me so we can talk this out? No.
Jesus' name, amen.
163, she just jumped in the river. We need a rescue rope just south of Broad on the east side.
I copy, south of Broad on the east side. Need a rescue rope.
I got it. She's still swimming.
Let me go.
Hold on to that.
I tried. Please. Let me go. I don't want to suffer anymore.
This can stop. Grab onto the rope. Hold on to the rope, dear.
No, please. Let me go.
Grab the bag. You're all right, dear. You're fine.
No.
Come on.
Let me go. Please. Please. Please let me go. Please.